How to add Payoneer payments to Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can integrate Payoneer payments into your Shopify store. So let's get into it. Now, Shopify is an amazing platform, and with any amazing platform, you need to make sure that all of the integrations and applications that you are using alongside your platform are well equipped to deal with its burdens. So for Shopify, you guys can see I have built this checkout and I have not built this checkout with Payoneer. And that can be a hassle because Payoneer allows you to accept global payments, and building a checkout on Payoneer can get approvals very easily. So to integrate that into Shopify is only going to take you a couple of steps, and Payoneer just requires you to fulfill some of their basic verifications. Once you've done that, you can actually use Payoneer to accept international orders without having to deal with banks and all the third-party fees that you usually would. So let's get started with using Payoneer in conjunction with our Shopify store. First, I'm going to go into my settings and then go into payments, and I will remove Stripe as my primary checkout just so I can show you guys how to, how you're going to do this on your own store if you've never set up a checkout. So if you have never set up any type of checkout on your Shopify store, simply go into your dashboard. Once you are in your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, you are going to click on Payments on the left. Once you click on Payments, you have two ways to integrate Payoneer. You can click on Choose a Provider, and once you search for Choose a Provider, you can search for Payoneer over here, and it says Payoneer Native Cards. You can install that, or you can go back and then click on Add Payment Method. Then you're going to search for Payoneer. And if it doesn't show up over here, you can actually search by provider and search for Payoneer Checkout. And you will see Payoneer Checkout will appear. Now, I have installed this in the past, but I'll show you guys what it's going to look like if you haven't. So if I go into Add Payment Method and search for Payoneer, I can simply search for Payoneer over here in the provider section, and then I will open this up. Once you do that, you're going to click on Install and then click on Manage Account. Now, from here comes the difficult step of, actually creating your checkout account on Payoneer. To do this, just click on Install to complete the installation of the Payoneer checkout into your Shopify dashboard. Once you do that, you will see it in payments and you can click on Manage Account. Once you click on Manage Account, this will open up payoneer.com/checkout. Now, over here, you actually enter information about your business and how you would like to accept payments via Payoneer. So click on Get Started over here, and once you do, you have to provide your personal details as well as your business details, and then you can click on Submit. So I'll show you guys how you do that. So first add your personal details like your name and your email address. Once you do that, you're going to add your phone number. And then below that, you add your business details. So I don't sell internationally from my marketplace, and then I can add the location of my business. After that, you can check the options of whether or not you would like to receive communication from Payoneer regarding your products, promotions, and events, and if you want to receive communication. So I'm going to click on submit over here. And just like that, you will have applied for the Payoneer Brand Ambassador Program. You will see that they are going to reply to you with, your application details and tell you whether or not this has been approved. Now, this is how you set up a Payoneer checkout on your Shopify store. What happens if you don't, if you don't have the time to wait for Payoneer to approve, or if you're someone that wants to, launch their store right now and you want to accept payments right now? So if you want to do that, you can click on settings on the bottom left. And once you click on settings on the bottom left, you can go back into payments. And once you go into payments, you can click on choose a provider. Now, what this does is that this allows you to save your recommended third party providers. So, Payoneer might be a great option for international use, but if you want to start accepting at least domestic orders, you can use one of these third party providers, which might be easier to set up. This includes, for my particular region, I have Adyen Payments, Integration, Ocean Payment, One Way, Paymob, Payoneer. Payoneer is, because I have already used it. Tap Payments, Authorized Net, and you will see the availability of different types of third-party platforms in your region. So you can choose the one that is currently available. You can also learn more about third-party providers under Shopify's article as well. But let's say I want to use integration use pay. So I can just click on this and then click on install. Once I click on install over here, I will be led to the installation page and I can just click on install once more. Then I can go into use pay and I can add my primary domain and the merchant ID for my Shopify store. If you go for any other provider such as integration or Ocean Pay Direct, so if I choose this one, it's pretty much the same process where you enter your basic information about your business or your Shopify store. We're just going to confirm or install this. And once we have done that, this will lead you to your secure payment getaway. And then you have your terminal. So this is going to be, whatever terminal that you want to add. Then you add your credit card and secure code. Obviously, if you don't have an Ocean Payment account, you have to click on sign up on the bottom, and you do have to sign up for any of these third-party payment providers. Now, if you don't want to, use any other checkout other than Payoneer, but you still want to start accepting domestic orders, then you can add a manual payment method, such as a cash on delivery or phone transfer. So I'll deactivate these and I'll show you guys how you can add these. The way you're going to do this is you're going to go into settings and then payments in your Shopify store. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down and click on manual payment method. Then you can click on cash on delivery and add some details such as pay with cash upon delivery of your products and activate cash on delivery. Now, in the details, I just like to add, pay with cash upon delivery. You can add more instructions if there are going to be any. And you can just partner up with your domestic shipping partners to be able to sell your product, and they would collect the cash from the customers and then they would just pay you for the products that were successfully delivered. You can also click on manual payment system and add your own manual payment method, such as a bank deposit, a money order, and you can even create your own manual payment. So let's say it's a wire transfer, and then I can add the info. So wire transfer to XYZ account. And then I can add, post a screenshot or send us a screenshot like so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.